Convert a numpy boolean array to int1 with distinct values. I've read through most of how to convert a boolean array to an int array, but I was still at loss with how to, most efficiently, convert a numpy bool array to an int array, but with distinct values. For instance, I'd like this to be converted to an array, where true is say, 2, and false is say 5. Of course, I can always set up a linear equation, which, while vectorized, needlessly employs both addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Furthermore, if I'd want the opposite values, 5 for true and 2 for false, I basically have to use, and recalculate, a different equation, which is a bit of a readability issue for me. In essence, this is merely a selection/mapping operation, but one which I'd like done in the numpy domain. How could I do that?
Seems like numpy.where is exactly what you want.
Well, it seems I have to make a np.array, not a Python list, containing the two distinct values. And then I can simply cast the boolean array, k, to int, and use that as selection indices in the distinct values array, z. It is also trivial to change the 2,5 to 5,2, so that is good. I'm just not sure if this is the right way to do it, that is, maybe there exists something like pseudocode k.as distinct values, 2,5, or something like that.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.